So when it comes to Shiba Inu and really everything else in crypto, we're waiting for that big trend change. We want, more optics. We want more searches to take place. Those clicks, they turn into buys over time. And frankly, we just need more positive sentiment. And there's a very interesting trend that is in fact changing as we speak that I want to show you guys. Now, at least when it comes to the SHIB charts, we're seeing a good trend here, right? We are moving slowly but surely to the upside, higher highs, higher lows. Hopefully our confirmation of that over the next few days here as we push our 20-day moving average. Again, this is where SHIB really has an opportunity to break back above its long-term trend. We're down in an area, guys, right now that Shiba Inu does not want to be in, and we're waiting for that overall sentiment to pick up. You guys can see SHIB is on the pump along with everything else, so hopefully this continues as the day moves on. And I noticed something interesting with web traffic when it comes to this. This is where the trend is beginning to change, guys. So Google search volume is a big indicator for what outside optics is doing. And you guys can see that we have been on the drop for a very long period of time. The summer was basically a big lull, almost to the point where we were experiencing bear market numbers. Not surprising at all. The summer tends to suck in crypto in general. And BTC kind of led the way for everything else as we ran up to our March highs, right? Same thing with meme coins. Meme coins had a nice surge in late October as everything was surging, kind of calmed down for a while. BTC led the trend into March, and then we've been on the drop since that time. However, we are actually starting to see a tick up in the amount, I don't even know if that's the best way to say it, a tick up in the amount of Bitcoin searching. So people are starting to actively search out crypto more often. We're seeing this change with Ethereum as well. We're seeing the same kind of pickup with other assets too. So this is a big trend change that is taking place right now. And meme coins tend to be the ones that follow this. Shiba Inu tends to be the one that follows this. And remember, when we look at these types of searches throughout the world, you tend to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu bringing up that third spot. This is where SHIB tends to perform its best. Now, I'm not saying that, we're instantly going to pop to the upside. Overall searches throughout the world are still, very low. We're kind of still down in this low range where people are still kind of fearful and uncertain about what's taking place because of, talks of recession and all these different, macro factors that we're dealing with. But my point is that we're now getting back into this trend where things tend to start popping just a little bit more. There tends to be just a little more excitement in the market. I'm not saying this is a straight up and to the right or anything like that, but as some of these trends are changing around in the charts, as we've seen this consistent removal of supply from exchanges, as we continue to gain these holders, even during these times where prices frankly haven't been that good, what do we think this is going to translate to when these things do improve? When people are looser with their money, when adoption is beginning to pick up. Remember, alt season is on our doorstep. This explosion is very close to taking place. We're seeing that BTC dominance drop off, and this is where assets frankly have a big opportunity to make up some significant ground. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.